Hi, I'm Marna, and I am a cheap, thrifty shopper and wanted to give you a hack on how to get some cheap fabric. I needed some black fabric for Halloween crafts. Well, for crafts. I don't know if you've been to the store to the fabric store. I'm all about the fabric store. Love it. Love the prints. Hate the prices. And it's gotten ridiculous. So, I like stretch knit fabric. What did I do? Where do I shop? On the clearance racks. I buy the biggest size that I can find. This is stretch knit fabric. You know, I can make a whole doll outfit out of that arm sleeve. And what did I pay? I paid $3. This is marked 5, but I'm pretty sure I paid 3 because that's where Walmart now, that's their kind of in price is $3. Anyway, look at all the yards that I got in this dress. And there are some finished edges, which I'm going to be all about. So we're going to make her a little outfit in a minute, but I wanted to show you something else. I'm getting a Blythe doll, and I wanted a little fox outfit for the one. There might be more than one coming. And I looked for fox fabric. Couldn't find any. Then I saw this little dress at Walmart. Isn't that cute? Now the print's bigger than I really wanted, but I think it'll work great. Guess what? Stretch Knit bought the biggest size they had to get the most fabric. Paid $3. Isn't this cute? Do you know what a yard of this would cost at the fabric store? And then I actually bought this first, this little backpack. Now, I'm not sure. It might be too big for Blythe. It may not. But if it's too big for Blythe, I have other dolls. And then I thought this was really cute. And what I might do, well, I'm not sure yet. But I got these to go with this. Kind of excited about it. And one more thing. If you're looking for holiday print and you don't mind storing, I bought these last year. Actually, I bought them for me. But I got some others I like better. I can only wear so many Halloween prints. These were, and this will make, you know, sock clothes. This makes sock clothes too. So these weren't even expensive full price, $3.78, but I paid $2. So that's just some ideas of how to get some fabrics. Here they are. Here's my scissors. And a hanger. And another hanger. And hangers are expensive. So we are going to make a little witch's dress for, well, little witch's outfit for the 28-inch Monster High. What do I have? A sock. And the sock has a witch's belt, which I thought was cute. But the witch's belt is a different length than I actually needed. So what I'm going to do is cut her off a pair of underwear out of the bottom part, out of the toe. And y'all have seen me do this before. It's not a big deal. Everybody knows how to do this. Make sure your toe stitch is straight across, and then simply cut the leg out, cut the other leg out, and there you go. You've got underwear. And then what we're going to do is the top part, so that this is about at her waist. We're going to make this so that she has, let's see, she's Monster High, not Barbie. So we're going to need more of a scoop than just a slit. And we are going to do that right between here. Just a little scoop. That's all you need, just a little scoop. This is so cheap. I bought the fox for $1, and you get 2. So you've got 2 dolls you can dress up. That end is getting caught there. There we go. 2 dolls you can dress out of this. Now, what I'm doing is I'm making this a skirt, but I want it long so that it tucks in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it here, and guess what? We have a little top and little underpants out of the first part, and then out of the second part, what we're going to do, so you get 2 outfits out of 1 sock, and the 1 sock actually costs you 50 cents because you got 2 for $1. We're going to put this on our girl, slide it up, kind of stretching it there, but doesn't matter. And pushing this on up, and that's the skirt. So she's got a little witch's belt there. And what are we going to use for the skirt? The dress that I bought at Walmart. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a circle dress, a circle out of this with a dinner plate and make her a skirt. I have a reasonable facsimile of a circle, and I kind of chopped it, and that's okay, and you'll see that in a minute. What I did was I took a dinner plate. What I normally do is I take an ink pen and put this down on my fabric to draw around it and then cut it out. I didn't have any chalks, and you can't see an ink pen on there, but that's okay because we're doing something else anyway today. I am going to fold my fabric. Oh, black on black, so easy to see when you're old. I'm going to fold my fabric several times over, and then I'm going to take my really good new scissors that I absolutely love, and I'm going to cut little triangles in there of different sizes, and one next to the other, kinda. Some kind of higher than the others. If you saw what I did, I cut, rather than cutting down here, I cut higher and came up. And then if I remember how to do this, no one said I did, I cut the last one. I can't get this piece off. Okay, I cut the last one to the end. And that should come out. And then we're going to cut your waistline way smaller than you think you need. They always come out larger. You can always make it bigger. But by the time you unfold, that's what you've got. Okay, some of these are a little not as cute as the other, and what you do is you do that. And you do this higher, just to make a jagged little witch's skirt. And then we're going to take that and put it on our doll. And because it is stretch knit, the waist stretches over the hips, which is really, really good. Be careful with your doll's hips. Never force something over your doll's hips because you can break the hip joint, especially on your, well, any doll. Okay, so there she is with a short little witch's skirt. So here is my Monster High, 28 inches tall, in her cheap, I mean really cheap, little witch's costume. Darren printed these 3D witches hats. We're gonna have a video on that. And I would love to send you one, but I can't. By the time we figured out that we would have to box this up and bubble wrap it, it would cost about $20 to send it to the US, not alone foreign. When we offer hidden giveaways, it's for everybody, not just the USA. But I could send you I have backwards, the Batwing headband. If you will leave a comment below, if you are a subscriber, hurry, subscribe, you're still eligible. And leave a like. We will enter you for a pair of the I always say pair because there's 2 Batwings, for a Batwing headband. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for the possibility to win this hidden giveaway.